I'll hit the Z button, and then I can use this control right here to start it down. So you see I'm bringing it down. If you need fine control, you can use this dial right here. And then you bring it down so that it's almost touching but not quite. So that's almost touching but not quite.
Should we shield our eyes while it's being...
Okay, so now we've got that. Now we'll do it, come over here. And we'll always keep an eye on it when it's running so you can stop it if these bad things happen. I'll go to, so when it's on, remember this, when it's on auto cut control, that with the check mark there like that means it's going to cut, the plasma's going to be flying. What you can do is you can turn that off, so there's no auto cut control. And then you can cut, and it wouldn't have any plasma, and just do a dry run to make sure you're in the spot so you're not damaging the pipe. Okay. But before we do that, we need to actually zero it in. We brought it to the work plane, and we've touched off on it. So now we have to go to settings, height control, and then we'll bring this and we'll zero this.
Oh,
see, we'll shift that to zero. Now that's at its zero. Then we'll say, okay. Alright, so now what I can do is make sure auto cut controls are off, and then I can cut if I want.
that's a dry cut?
It'll be a dry cut. Let's make sure I did everything well. But before I do that, I gotta actually pick what I want to cut. So we'll come in here and we'll say convert to cut path. So we'll come down to the piece that we want, and we got to convert that to a cut path so we get to it. And we'll click on it. Ooh. Actually, hold on. That's a weird drawing though. I've never had to deal with that before. So let's see here. Okay, I'll highlight the whole thing, and I'll say convert to cut path. Pieces I've used have always, see how it's just selecting little segments that you drew in there? You gotta make sure you select the whole thing. So I gotta figure out how to
Let's zoom in a little bit.
Connect all of it.